Welcome! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Roblox. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your browser, whatever browser that you are using. Then search roblox.com as you can see here on my search bar. And then if you don't have an account, sign up for one. And then if you have an account, just click login. So just log in your account, and then after that you want to click settings. You can see it on the upper right side of your screen, and then click settings. And then once you click settings, go to privacy, and then you want to scroll down until you see block users section, and then you can only block 100 users. Okay, so just click show, and then here you can see the user that you blocked. Then just click unblock if you want to unblock them. And then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.